This is how to forecast a route from the Outdooractive app in epic ride weather. First, select your route. When the route comes up, tap on the GPX button at the bottom. Now select Epic Ride Weather as the app you want to open. Epic Ride Weather will bring the route in, and now we can choose the time to go hiking. I'm going at 2 o'clock. Tap the forecast button, and here's the forecast for your whole hike. It's going to get colder as we reach the higher altitudes, and the wind is coming from the southwest. That's it.